DirectFix.com presents
iPod Touch 3rd Generation Touch Panel Repair Directions.
Be sure to visit us on the web at DirectFix.com for all your parts and accessory needs. At checkout, use coupon code YouTube for 5% off your first order.
Using a case opener tool from DirectFix.com, run it along the edge of the glass touch panel. By running it all the way around the edge of the glass touch panel, this will loosen the touch panel to come out easier. Now with the touch panel loose, you'll be able to lift it up. There is still a ribbon cable connecting it to the board. Pull up on the ribbon cable gently and this will release it from the board.
Please be sure to click the link on the right side of the screen to take you to our website, DirectFix.com, for all your parts and accessory needs.